be doing exercise 1B in the engineering graphics course. So part B wants us to use the English system, which is 0.5 inches per grid dot. From dot to dot measure 0.5 inches, and we should only use the commands line, arc, and circle to complete both of these drawings. So I'll be starting with the drawing on the left. So firstly, we should have the drawing grid and snap mode on. So starting from the bottom left, height of this first line should be 1, 2, that's 1 inch. Then it goes to the right. Wait, my bad. It should be 1 unit up from the start. Yes. 1 unit up and then 1 unit to the right. And then 1, 2, 3, 3 units up to 3 or 1.5 inches. And then it's inclined from the center here down 2 units. So 1 unit right here, and then 1 unit across. It goes down 3 units right here. Likewise, it would come back up here. 1 unit from the center, coming back up, 1, 2, then to the right. Then it goes across again to the right, 1 unit. And it comes down 1, 2, 3, symmetrical to the left side. 1 unit, 1. Then it goes to the left, 1, 2, 2 units to the left, 1, 2, close it there, and then from the starting point, I'll go 1, 2 units to the right. You should notice that in the middle right here, there's a circle. So the radius of the circle, the center point of the circle starts at this dot, and the radius is the length of 0.5 inches, touching directly on either endpoint. So the circle being shown here is actually half a circle. So what we need to do now is use the command trim. And now the figure on the left is complete.